know, total number of students appear for 2019 NEET in Telangana was 48,996. Total qualified student was 33,034. So the qualified percentage was 67.44%. This is a brief explanation of last year cutoff or number of students they appear in Telangana in 2019. Let us see the NEET cutoff in Telangana in 2020. The government college cutoff for NEET 2020 in Telangana is 500 marks. The minimum marks that is required to get qualified in NEET 2020, that is 134 marks, is the minimum marks that is required to get qualified. In this video, we are going to discuss about the number of seats in government colleges of Telangana in MBBS and BDS. Let us put some light on Telangana MBBS seat distribution system. Total number of medical colleges in Telangana that has been described in two categories. That is type of medical colleges, number of colleges in each type. Let us see the first one, government medical colleges. There are 10 government medical colleges in Telangana. Private non-minority colleges is 18. Private minority colleges is 4. Total number of medical colleges in Telangana is 32. This is a brief explanation of all medical colleges in Telangana. Let us put some light on Telangana MBBS seat distribution system. Total number of MBBS seats in Telangana, how they have been categorized. Here we have two categories. First is medical college. The second one is MBBS seats available. In government medical college, the total number of MBBS seat is 1,550. Private non-minority colleges, total MBBS seat is 2,600. Private minority colleges, total number of MBBS seat is 550. Total number of MBBS seats in whole Telangana is 4,700. This is a brief explanation of total number of MBBS seats in Telangana. Let us see how government college MBBS seat is distributed in Telangana based on 15% AIQ quota and 85% convener quota. We know that the total number of government medical colleges seats in Telangana is 1,550. How this seat is allocated? 15% AIQ, that is All India quota, 232 seats is allocated, and convener quota 85%, 1,318 seat is allocated, and total available seats in MBBS in government colleges is 1,550 seats. Let us put some light in total number of seats of MBBS available in both non-minority and minority private colleges. Let us see the total number of seats available, that is 3,150. But this is categorized as category A, that is state convener quota MBBS seats. The total number of seat is 1,630. The next one is category B, that is called management quota for MBBS seats. The total seat is 1,047. The last one is category C, that is NRI quota MBBS seats. The total number of seat is 473. Minority or non-minority medical colleges, the admission is based on these three categories. The first is the counseling. The student, those who take admission from the counseling, they come in category A. The student, those who didn't get an admission in counseling, they will go to the category B, that is called management quota. The last one is the NRI quota, that is for the NRI students. So these are the brief explanation of number of seats available in all this category A, category B, category C. All the seats in minority colleges will be filled by the minority candidate. If the candidate is not available, if particular candidate is not available, then the remaining seat will be filled by the general candidates only. Let us put some light on BDS seat distribution system, that is Telangana Dental Colleges seat distribution system. That has been categorized into two. One is government dental college. There are total number of colleges of government dental is 1. Private dental colleges, there are 11 colleges. Total number of dental colleges in Telangana, that is 12. 12 dental colleges available in Telangana for BDS students. Let us see total number of dental seats, that is BDS seats in Telangana. We know that in Telangana we have government college and private college. Let us see the total number of seats in government dental college. BDS seats, that is 100. Private dental colleges, that is BDS seats in private colleges, is 1040. The total number of seats of BDS in Telangana is 1140. Let us see number of BDS seats in government dental colleges of Telangana. The admission is based on two categories, that is AIQ quota and state convener quota. Number of seat in AIQ quota, that is 15. State convener quota, the number of seat is 85. The total number of seats in government dental colleges of Telangana is 100. Let us see more about number of BDS seats in private colleges of Telangana. The admission is based on three categories. As we know that in private we have three categories of admission: category A, category B, category C. In category A, the convener quota BDSCs, the total seat is 520. Category B, the management quota BDSC is 364. The category C, the NRI quota, the number of seats is 156. Total number of BDS seats in private dental colleges is 1040. This is the brief explanation of how seat is allocated in MBBS and BDS in Telangana. This information is totally based on admission process of 2019. This is a brief explanation. In our next video, we will talk about the fee structure of BDS and MBBS. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and to never miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified and smash that like button.